Hi cutie, Grace here. Today I'm going to draw a lot, so let's get started. First, start by drawing a line down and a line to the right and down again and connect it. Now just following with me. A slightly little curve here. And continue with the line. Now just following with me, slowly. Now draw two round big eyes, inside with a circle and another smaller circle. A curve, inside with lines, and the mouth. Now we have a cute block. I really hope I made it fun and easy for you to follow in with me and inspire you to draw it too. Thank you so much for watching. If you love it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new videos. See you later.